Alright, today we're here to try a new grinder, a budget grinder from Shardor. It's the bird grinder. Does this say 2.0 somewhere? No, it's the GC836B. Alright. And so you get a extended to your warranty, a manual, a spoon, any of that. Okay. So I used this once or twice already, so I know I can make the espresso, but let's make one. We're gonna use Autumn Tide. So on the side is where you have grind settings, French press, drip, pour over, and they actually have 1 to 10 for espresso, but I think 1 to 3 is for espresso in reality. So I'm gonna try the tightest. Gonna try a 1. It goes from 3 seconds to 40 seconds. That's the longest. Okay. 20 seconds? I don't even know. You know what? No. We'll do 40. There's always 1 or 2 beans that's like jumping around in there. It seems to be alright this time. Let's see if there's any retention. We put 16.1 gram in there. Just a little lid. Okay. Whoa, okay. Not a static. Wow. Going everywhere. Alright. Let's see if we get 16.1 gram back. $15.4 so far. God, there's so much coffee that it just sticks to the cap. $15.7. That's the best we can do. Well, that's how you do it. Let's check out the grind. It looks fine enough. So we got back 15.7 grams. Not bad. 18 seconds. 34 grams. This actually looks pretty good. A lot of cream. Okay, it is very light, slightly sweet, not as creamy as the Shardor flatbreads. But as you can see, this thing makes espresso just fine. It did like 17 seconds. 17, 18 seconds, I think. I think that went to 19 seconds, 18, 19 seconds. 36 gram out. And that's with a dry paper filter. So it's pretty good. But that's a one setting. So you wouldn't have too much control. 17 seconds is still kind of low, but it made an espresso. 15.2 grams. Oh, 15.1 grams. We'll do 19. Okay, do 19. Okay, there's a lot of like static with this thing. So I want to use this blind shaker. So we're just gonna have to dump it in. It looks like tea. It looks pretty. Just gonna have a sip. There's no spice to it. It'd be nice to have some spice cocoa. Dried apple, that'd be great too, but it is slightly fruity. Very light in taste. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, definitely let it sit for like 2-3 minutes. It's kind of like fruit juice, but it's not that sweet. It's kind of like strong tea. That's what it's reminding me of. It's like a strong tea with a hint of coffee. Let's just drink it all. Yeah. I like it. It's actually pretty good. So, this little budget grinder seems to do well for filter. And the one setting, the lowest setting, can do espresso as well. So, gonna have another grinder to review soon. Yeah, this will be it for this little grinder. It can do filter. It can do espresso.